Good morning. Welcome to your 10-minute morning yoga flow. We'll begin in child's pose here. Forehead to the mat, seat to heels. Begin to grow your breath, breathing in and out the nose, expanding your entire torso full with your breath. So your belly full on each inhalation, your side waist, the back of your lungs. Bringing your attention to the fact that your lungs fill in 360 degrees if you let them. Coming up into hands and knees. Inhale, pull the heart forward. Exhale, press the mat away, round the spine. Inhale, heavy belly. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin. Few more times here. Waking up the spine, warming up the belly. Then extend your right leg, press your right heel back, lift your right leg up to hip level, perhaps lift the left arm up as well. Press actively back through the back heel. Keep your hips level and pull your belly in and up. Stay here or bend the knee, reach back with the left arm for the inside edge of the right foot and kick the foot up and back, opening across the chest. Exhale, relax, release, extend, and release your knee back down to the mat. Bring your seat to your heels, come up on your fingertips, pull the hips back, find even more length and stretch through the spine, and then roll your hips side to side, come back up. Stretch your left leg out long, press your left heel back, and then lift your leg up to hip level. Perhaps extend your right arm forward. Pull the belly up and in. Breathe deeply and rhythmically with sound. If you want to, reach back for the inside edge of the left foot and kick the foot into the hand, opening up the heart, opening up the chest here. Release the foot if you have it, extend and release the knee back down to the mat. Now begin to circle the hips around, circling the shoulders forward, around and back, opening up the side body, bending the elbows. Do what intuitively feels good to you, switching directions, circling around, bringing your elbows down towards the mat and then up. And curl the toes under, downward dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Spread the fingers wide, roll the outer arms in towards your face to spread across the shoulders. Imagine I'm pulling your hips back so you have even more space in your spine between each vertical inch of your entire spine. Bring your knees to the mat, hips back, sit down, Balasana. Sweep your back of your hands back to your sacrum, your low back. Inhale, stretch the arms out and up, rise up on your knees. And exhale, sweep your arms down to your sides and the backs of your hands back to your sacrum, your forehead to the mat. Make sure this is okay on your knees, coming up, stretching the arms up. You can always bring padding underneath your knees here and slowly lowering back down, forehead down towards the mat. So on the inhale, you're sweeping your arms up, rising up, opening the chest. Exhale, swimming the arms back, sitting down on your heels, hands to the low back, sacrum, forehead to the mat. Moving in this flow a few more times in your own pace, in the rhythm of your own breath. In your own time, rising up to sit on your heels. Lengthen your tailbone down, pull your low abs in. Straight, strong, low back. Stretch your right arm forward, sweep it under the left, elbows up to shoulder height, and relax your shoulders away from your ears. Now, this sounds a little strange, but allow your spine to move and sway from left to right. So the spine is moving you. You're allowing it to wave from left to right. Your shoulders swaying from left to right, opening up the spine here, opening up the shoulders. Then relax and release the arms, straighten the arms forward. Come forward into hands and knees, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Bring more blood back into the knee area. Wake up the belly here. On every exhalation, engaging the pelvic floor and pulling the belly button in towards the spine and up. Release your knees softly back down to the mat. Sit down on your heels. Pull your low abs in and relax your tailbone down. Stretch your arms forward, left arm under right this time. Elbows to shoulder height. Relax the shoulder blades away from the ears and begin this intuitive, swaying, wave-like motion of the spine and the shoulders from left to right. Release the arms. Bring the hands forward. Bring the left knee in between the hands. Straighten your right leg behind you. Square the hips. And then come down any amount. Perhaps down on the forearms. Perhaps all the way down to the mat. You can always bring a blanket or a bolster underneath your left hip here. Taking the time here to settle into this stillness and attach your mind to your breath. Coming back up, other side, bring your right knee in between your hands. Squaring the hips, you can bring a blanket or bolster underneath your right hip, lowering down onto the forearms or all the way down, forehead to the mat. Remembering that you are grounded to the earth. You are supported. Rise back up. Bring your knees together and then bring your feet around forward. Grab onto the backs of your legs. Lift your feet up away from the mat, shins parallel to the ceiling. Perhaps extend your arms out for boat pose. Pull your belly button in and up. Strengthen the low belly. One more time. Breathe in deeply. And exhale. Bring the soles of the feet together. Fold forward. Baddha Konasana. Stretch your arms out. Come up on the fingertips. Sway the shoulders from left to right. Sitting up. Cross your legs. Opening up with a final twist to the left and to the right. I'm wishing you a day of freedom, ease, lightness, and success. Namaste.